Hello, Uptown Swing.
Level 2, mixing 6 and 8s. Val, Brian.
These are the moves. We compared and contrasted.
Yeah.
6 counts and 8 counts.
We start with that 6-count glide. Rock, step, triple, triple. A rock, step. It's really linear, and contrasted that with a circle, which is really roundy, especially at the beginning.
Then we did the reverse glide where the follower goes
Boom.
forward.
Hey, catch it up. Hey, catch it up, and contrasted that with a promenade, where it keeps on going for 2 more steps.
The important thing we talked about here is to really think about how triple steps have the side and side. And steps oftentimes are a little bit more square, and you don't really stay on the same side as long
You're
as
from
you
one to the other. Triple steps, really favoring one.
especially in that moment in the promenade, we talked about how you
Boom.
do
Boom.
a step,
Bring the wrists away.
That moment was very important.
Yeah.
Then we also did yo-yo at the very end, and we'll talk about it more
Boom.
next week.
Boom. Catch. Bring it back.
Starts like promenade, but then changes.
And a little catch.
We'll talk about that more next week. But that's what we did.